Hi everyone, it's Brian. I'm going to talk about graffiti. This is a kind of urban art. It's a work done on streets that serve as murals for artists who let their imagination, humor, criticism, and irony fly. It goes back to the Roman Empire, where commonly on the walls were inscriptions related to prophecies, advertisements, or simple social unrest. As you can see, graffiti is an expression that it is posed to the public. Graffiti themes focus on politics, protest, art, or sentimental messages. I am a big fan of this graphic expression, although commonly it is related to grotesque works that leave the artistic lines, and its objective is to incite to the violence, which is why in some countries, not in some, in many countries, graffiti is a felony. Those who consider it a cultural and popular expression visualize graffiti as a powerful embellishment, also as a direct visual communication of messages that invite to reflection. Uh-huh. The graffiti describes a cultural movement of free art associated. I don't know if you have heard before, but its name is hip hop. It's a urban trip. This kind of urban trip used this kind of expression to delimit its territory. In this graffiti, you can visualize social problems such as addiction to social networks. In one way or another, this graffiti gives us a new perspective of something that we consider normal. Well, in my opinion, I think that this form of expression really is a contemporary art. It demands time, effort, and dedication. As you can see through colors, drawings, capture an ideological message and social reality, and must be taken into consideration as a perspective of saying life a different way. While it is true in many countries, in many public spaces have been affected by representation that are not graffiti, and it is must part of the public institution have an endorsement to the street artist with incentives to promote this kind of expression that really tells the story of a society. I consulted to my brother about what he thinks about graffiti, but his responses was a rejection of this kind of expression. According to him, promotes a rebellion without cause that seeks to understand reality and transmit it, but in the end, it remains in the same line without any change promoted from the graffiti artist. Well, finally, but at the end of everything, this time of urban artists in the next 10 years will have managed to win the tolerance of Quito, and surely they will be working on creating institutions where street art is thought. That's all.